Hello my students, our lesson today will study some special matrices and equality of two matrices. We know that the matrices consist of row and columns. Then some special of matrices. First, square matrices. The square matrices is the matrices that the number of column equal number of row, like matrices in order 2 by 2. And row matrices. The row matrices is the matrices consist of one row, like this matrices in order 1 by 4 or 1 times 4. And column matrices. The column matrices is a matrices consist of one column, like matrices 3 times 1 consist of 3 columns and 1 row. After that, zero matrices. Zero matrices is the matrices all element equal 0, like this matrices and this matrices and this matrices. Diagonal matrices. The diagonal matrices is the matrix that the all element equal 0 except its diagonal. Diagonal except x diagonal. Like this matrices. And unit matrices. The unit matrices is the matrix all element equal 0 except its diagonal, and its diagonal equal 1. The diagonal equal 1. And this matrices is always square matrices. Equality of two matrices. If the two matrices are equal, then are equal if and only if they have the same order and the element of the matrices A are equal to the corresponding element in the matrices B. Try by yourself. Write the type of the order and the order of matrices by the following matrix. This matrices in type is square matrices. Square matrix. And its order 2 by 2 or 2 times 2. This matrix is column matrix. And in order 1 by 4. This matrix is row matrix. And in order 3 times 1. And this matrix is called zero matrix. And in order 2 by 2. And this matrix is called diagonal matrix. And in order 2 times 2. And this matrix is called diagonal matrix. And in order 2 by 2. Write the 3 by 3 zero matrix. Yes, like this. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Example B. If the matrix 1x2 negative 1 6 5 equal 1 and negative 3 and 2 negative 1 6 and y, find if and only if x equal and y equal. X equal the corresponding part in the another matrices equal negative 3, and y equal the corresponding part equal 5. the two matrices 1 2 negative 1 5 and 1 2 0 negative 1 5 0 are not equal because they are not equal in order. If in this example B, if the two matrices are equal, so the value of x here equal negative 3 and the value of y here equal 5. The two matrices cannot be equal because the corresponding element are not equal because the corresponding element 1 here and here 1 not equal element negative 1. Okay. Example D. If the two matrices are equal, then the two matrices are equal because they have the same order and the corresponding element are equal. Try to solve. If A equal negative 0.75 and 1 over 5 and 1 over 2 and negative 2, B equal negative 3 over 4, 0.2, 0.5 and negative 2. Is A equal B? Negative 0.5, 0.75 equal, yes, equal negative 3 over 4. And 1 over 2 equal negative 0.2 and half equal half and negative 2 equal negative 2. The two matrices A and B, number 1, have same order. Number 2, H2 corresponding element are equal. So the matrix A equal matrix B. If X and Y is not is X and Y is X equal Y? No, because element 3 not equal negative 3 here. Try to solve. If x plus 8 and the negative 5, 3 and the negative y equal 38 and the negative 5 and the 3 and the negative and the 4y minus 10. Find the x and y. This element equals this element. So 38 equal x plus 8. Moving it in the other side, x equal 38 minus 8 equal 30. And negative y equal 4y minus 10. So moving negative 4y on the other side, negative y minus 4y equal negative 10. So negative 5y equal negative 10. Moving negative 5 on the other side by dividing, y equal 2. Critical sign. If 3x and x plus y and x minus z equal negative 9, 4 and negative 10. Find the value of x and y and z. 3x equal negative 9. So x equal negative 3. X plus y equal 4. And we know that x equal negative 3 plus y equal 4. So y by another side equal 7. And we know that x minus z equal negative 10. So negative 3 minus z equal negative 10. Moving on the another side, negative z equal negative 7. So z equal 7. Another critical thinking. If the two intervals, the two matrices are equal, so a plus b equal 9 and a minus b equal negative 3. By adding two equations, a plus b equal 9 plus a minus b equal negative 3, we get that cancelled b with negative b, so 2a equal 6, so a equal 3. By substitution in any equations, so 3 minus b equal negative 3, moving negative b equal negative 6, so b equal 6 here and here. And a plus b plus c equal 7, so 3 plus 6 plus c equal 7, 9 plus c equal 7, moving 9 on the other side, c equal negative 2, so the value of c equal negative 2. This is the homework. See you later, alligator. Mr. Ahmed النشار.